In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Figma with mouse. Zooming precisely is one of the fastest ways to move around your designs without breaking your flow. Today we'll use a single, reliable gesture, holding the Control key while using your mouse wheel. Start with your file open and your mouse ready. Bring your cursor to the exact spot you want to examine, whether that's a button label, an icon, or a layout area. The zoom action in Figma centers on whatever is underneath your cursor, so placing it carefully will save you time. Now hold down the Control key on your keyboard and keep it pressed. While holding Control, roll your mouse wheel upward to zoom in. You'll see the canvas draw closer to the point under your cursor. Roll the wheel downward to zoom out and reveal more of the page. Continue to hold Control for as long as you want to adjust the view. Release it when you're at a comfortable level. Use slow, steady wheel movements for fine control when you're dialing in small changes, like getting text crisp at the perfect reading size. If you need to travel quickly across scales, faster or longer scrolls will jump you in larger steps. Watch the zoom percentage in Figma's toolbar update as you go, and notice how artwork and guides resize smoothly. If you're not zooming where you expected, simply move your cursor to the new target and keep going with the same Control plus wheel motion. Remember, the cursor position is the anchor. If nothing happens, make sure the canvas is active by clicking once on an empty area, and confirm your cursor isn't hovering over a side panel or dialog that might intercept the scroll. This method works consistently across frames, groups, and components in the design canvas, and it's especially handy when inspecting spacing, aligning elements, or checking pixel edges. It keeps your hands in a natural position and avoids breaking focus to reach for on-screen controls. A quick tip for comfort: use short, repeated scroll nudges while holding Control to ease into the perfect zoom level, then release to lock it in. Reverse the scroll direction while still holding Control anytime you want to back out. That's all there is to it. Hold Control, use the mouse wheel to zoom in or out, and let your cursor guide the focus. Practice this a few times, and navigating complex files will feel effortless.